Modern AI models can write complex software from scratch and diagnose rare medical conditions. Yet, if you ask that same highly intelligent system to book a multi-city flight or sort items in a shopping cart, it routinely fails. Look at this early Netscape browser interface. Since its inception, the web has been optimized strictly for human eyes and hands. Every drop-down menu, icon grid, and text layout was built assuming a person would be looking at a screen and clicking a physical mouse. Researchers from Mila and McGill University have identified this as a structural flaw in how we build AI agents. They argue that instead of forcing artificial intelligence to squint at human interfaces, we need to construct a parallel internet layer entirely for machines. They call this concept an agentic web interface, or AWI. As long as algorithms operate as clumsy tourists navigating a digital world designed for human senses, they will never achieve true autonomy. Right now, engineers try to bypass this problem by feeding AI agents the underlying code of a web page, specifically the Document Object Model, or DOM tree. As you can see in this structural breakdown, a clean, simple web page expands into a towering hierarchy of raw code when viewed as a DOM tree. For a single page, an AI might have to process over 1 million individual tokens of data, the vast majority of which are completely irrelevant to the task. Because agents rely on these exact structural coordinates, they are incredibly fragile. If a developer slightly alters the color code of a buy button, the resulting shift in the DOM tree can cause the AI's entire navigation path to collapse. The alternative workaround is using existing developer APIs, but these were built rigidly for software engineers to connect backend services, not to handle the dynamic, multi-step exploration that an autonomous agent requires. This inefficiency creates a severe resource constraint. Millions of AI agents are currently consuming massive amounts of computational power and straining the host servers of the websites they visit just to render and read standard text and images. Engineers are trapped choosing between severe functional limits using rigid APIs or massive computational waste processing endless DOM trees. An agentic web interface solves this by acting like a dedicated drive-through window for machines, bypassing the human front doors and loading docks entirely. The core mechanism here is optimal representation. The AWI filters out high-resolution images and stylistic formatting, outputting clean, standardized data blocks. Instead of guessing pixel coordinates to simulate mouse clicks, the AI simply executes a unified command like go to URL. Minimizing the data payload creates an immediate financial benefit. When an AI avoids processing 1 million tokens of visual formatting to read a paragraph, the compute cost drops significantly. It also protects the website's physical infrastructure. AWIs can utilize specialized task queues to manage and throttle this invisible bot traffic, ensuring that spikes in AI activity don't crash servers for human users. Navigating the web stops being a brute force visual hack and becomes a streamlined native protocol strictly optimized for machines. Beyond speed and cost, a dedicated machine interface introduces a crucial layer of safety and containment. Because the AWI is a controlled environment, developers can apply strict access control lists. If an agent attempts to delete an account or initiate a massive financial transfer, the interface can immediately block the action and hold it in a queue until it receives explicit human verification. To make this work seamlessly, the machine learning and web development communities must agree on a universal set of standards. If the tech industry cannot agree on universal rules and action spaces, AWIs will fail. It is a coordination problem on the exact scale of agreeing to the original HTML standards in the early 90s. The end result of that coordination is a bifurcated internet. We preserve the vibrant visual web for human beings while building a hyper-efficient, invisible shadow web running parallel to it. By separating the users, we optimize the network for both.